Hey guys, this is my 1990 14-foot low flat bottom Jon Boat. This is a 14 Lake John. If anybody else has a 14 Lake John, please let me know, because I don't really see a lot of them on Google, or if any. But it's got the floaters back here. It's got two floating bench seats. I'm going to be cutting this one out, putting a live wheel in it, but they're both floating. It's going to be converted into a bass boat. So, yeah. But if anybody's got a 14 Lake John, tag me on Instagram, Travis.Trevelyan, and let me know. See ya.